Neil?
And I'm Beth. Neil, do you remember the children's television show Lassie?
Yeah.
Oh,
Do
yes,
you
of course.
remember?
The show's
Do
hero was a
you
dog.
remember? He says, do you remember? So D will be pronounced between do and jaw. Okay, a combination of them. There will be another sound. It will be like jaw, jaw, jaw. Like do you. Okay. Let's listen one more time. আবার শোনা যাক যে কি বলে.
Helping people.
Beth. Neil, do you remember the children's television show
do you
Lassie?
remember?
Oh,
Do
yes,
you?
of course. The show's hero was a dog named Lassie, and Lassie went round helping people in trouble.
Yes. Well,
অর্থাৎ
if
ডিপ উচ্চারণ হবে ড এবং জ এর মাঝামাঝি এবং কখনো কখনো এটি কি হতে পারে জ এর উচ্চারণ হতে পারে যেমন কি গ্রাজুয়েশন সোলজার ইত্যাদি. ওকে,
if you watched Lassie as a child, you might also
Watch.
remember the
ছ সাউন্ড এখানে ছ ছ ছ সাউন্ডের প্রয়োগ হয়েছে লাইক ওয়াচ চ্যাট Trump country. Okay, so এর ব্যবহার খুবই বেশি, so you should learn this one at first. Okay, let's move on.
TV shows Flipper the Dolphin and Skippy the Kangaroo. You might also remember the TV shows Flipper the Dolphin.
She says TV shows, no, TV show. She says TV shows. Let's listen one more time.
And Skippy as a child. You might also remember the TV shows Flipper the
Yeah,
Dolphin
she
and
said-
Skippy the
She said TV shows. TV. So the sound T, it is quite natural, and it is most used sound in British pronunciation and IP accent. So you should learn it fast.
Kangaroo. The stars of these shows were animals who would also
Yeah.
come to the
Kangaroo. So here the sound K, it will be pronounced like ka. In Bengali sound, it will be pronounced like ka. Kangaroo. Can you give me? No, can you? Okay. Let's listen one more time.
rescue of humans in Peru. The stars of these shows Flipper the Dolphin and Skippy the Kangaroo. The stars of these shows were animals who would also come to the rescue of humans in trouble.
In this program, we'll be discussing some real-life animals helping people in trouble. It might sound strange, but we'll be hearing how cows are helping to stop fires in
Yeah, how cows. So the sound see he pronounced ka. So it's not doesn't matter what is the letter, but only the matter the sound. Okay, so the sound is IPA based, so you should know the letter's pronunciation, the IPA letter, how it was written. So the pronunciation will be accordingly. Okay, not according to word. Okay, so cow, how cows are helping to stop fires in Spain. Okay, let's listen one more time, so and let us look at how he pronounced the word ka, the letter ka in the word cows.
Spain.
Well, now
Strange, but we'll be hearing how cows are helping to stop
Cows.
fires in Spain.
I have a picture in my head of a cow.
You picture the sound cha. It's most used pronunciation and most used IPA letter and RP accent in British pronunciation.
wearing a fireman's helmet. But I guess that's not what you mean, Neil.
Yeah, fireman's fire. So the R, when the R, it will come at the end of the word, and R will be silent. So it's called a final R. So the fire, it will be pronounced in RP accent. Fire. Let's listen one more time.
Quite, Beth, but
Wearing a fireman's helmet. But I guess that's not what you mean, Neil.
not quite, Beth. But you're right about the fires, or wildfires to be exact. Wildfires are unplanned fires in areas like forests or grasslands which spread out of control. They often happen in hot, dry countries like Spain.
So, how could cows help? We'll be finding out and learning some useful new vocabulary as well. And remember, if you like
As well. So the word wall, it will be pronounced like wall, not like in Bengali sound. Well. I am well. How are you? No, it will be pronounced like wall. I'm well. So I speak English. Well. So I'm well. How are you? Well. I think so. No. Well, it's a Bengali sound. But if you adapt the RP accent, you should pronounce the word well like well. Okay, let's listen one more time.
to
How they
read
pronounce
and
it?
learning some useful new vocabulary as well. And remember,
As well,
if you like
as well, no, as well. Well is a Bengali sound, so we should avoid this pronunciation and to accept the British actual pronunciation.
to read along as you listen to the program, you'll find a script on our website, bbclearningenglish.com.
Here on our website, one hour website. Okay, so why she didn't pronounce the R. So if you notice, you'll find out that she didn't pronounce the letter R because its position is at the end of the word. So that's why it will be silent. So scripts on our website, our website, no our website. Okay, let's listen one more time to find out the reality.
But now,
You'll find a script on our website,
Yeah, one
BBC Learning
bbclearningenglish.com.
English.com.
but now I have a question for you, Beth.
But now he says but no but. So he didn't pronounce the T, but he made it a glottal stop, and also he didn't say ba. Okay, so he stopped the air following in his mouth and pronounced it, and didn't pronounce the T, only pronounced the vowel, and so it pronounced but now. Okay, listen one more time for confirmation.
Some wild.
bbclearningenglish.com.
But now I have a question for
but
you,
now,
Beth.
But
Some
now, not but now, but now. It's called a glottal stop. Okay, so we will learn more about glottal stop when we'll come to appropriate place and appropriate position and appropriate time. We'll learn what is a glottal stop in British pronunciation.
wildfires are caused naturally, but most are the result of human activity. So, according to the
naturally. So also I try to pronounce the word naturally. So I want to speak English naturally, not necessarily. Naturally, cha sound. So previously I said that the cha sound is most of the time used in British pronunciation. So try to learn that at first. So naturally, cha, naturally. Okay. So hope you got the difference. Okay.
History Museum in Utah. What proportion of wildfires is caused by people? Is it A, 2,
Yeah, by
5?
people is most used words, and you should learn the pronunciation of the word people, not pupil, not pupil. So both pronunciation is not correct. So the correct pronunciation will be people, people in Bangladesh, and people in the UK, and people in China. Okay, Chinese people. Okay, it's pronounced like that. Okay.
B, 3 out of every 5, or C, 4 out of every 5?
I'm going to guess 3 out of every 5, I think.
Let's find out at the end of the programme. Thanks to increasing temperatures caused by climate change, the wildfires... Thanks to increasing temperatures...
Yeah, thanks, not thanks. So here, when T and H will come, so they can be pronounced with like this symbol or with this symbol. So this one are pronounced thaw, and this one so thank like this, not thank. It's a Bengali pronunciation, but if you adopt if you want to adopt British pronunciation.
History Museum in Utah. What proportion of wildfires is caused by people? Is it A, 2,
Yeah, by
5?
people is most used words, and you should learn the pronunciation of the word people, not pupil, not pupil. So both pronunciation is not correct. So the correct pronunciation will be people, people in Bangladesh, and people in the UK, and people in China. Okay, Chinese people. Okay, it's pronounced like that. Okay.
B, 3 out of every 5, or C, 4 out of every 5?
I'm going to guess 3 out of every 5, I think.
Let's find out at the end of the programme. Thanks to increasing temperatures caused by climate change, the wildfires... Thanks to increasing temperatures...
Yeah, thanks, not thanks. So here, when T and H will come, so they can be pronounced with like this symbol or with this symbol. So this one are pronounced thaw, and this one so thank like this, not thank. It's a Bengali pronunciation, but if you adopt if you want to adopt British pronunciation, so you have to learn the sound during a pronunciation of thanks. Thank you so much, not thank you so much. Thank and thank and thank. So there is quite a difference between thanks and thanks. So the correct pronunciation is thank. So try to adopt this pronunciation. Okay.
Caused by climate change, the wildfires happening today...
Climate change the cha pronunciation. Cha here was applied here. Okay. Do you understand? Got it?
I got it.
Okay. Fatima got it?
जी
MD2 Hin. Okay, let's listen one more time.
are more increasing temperatures caused by climate change. The wildfires
Climate change, climate, ka sound, ka. So it will be pronounced like ka.
happening today are more intense and more destructive than ever before. Here, Craig Langren, reporter for BBC World
Then ever before, not ever before. Because the final R, it won't be pronounced. So it will be silent. So আর যদি কিছু শব্দের শেষে আসে তাহলে কি হবে? আর অনুচ্চারিত হবে যেমন here, reporter, for, and ever. Let's listen one more time and try to listen try to be very careful during your practice, okay?
Service program active than ever before.
Ever
Here,
before.
Craig
Here.
Langren, reporter for BBC World
BBC
Service program People
BBC
Fixing the
World
World,
Service Program.
discusses the problem with Pablo Shapira of Rewilding Spain, an organisation combating wildfires in central Spain.
One of the reasons for this is that the forests have been left to grow unchecked, as there simply aren't enough animals to feed on all the trees, bushes and grass. And the more dense this vegetation is, the more likely it is to catch fire.
What we had before in our ecosystems here in Europe is that we had big races.
Up are left to grow, they're more likely to catch fire.
Hundreds of years ago,
So catch fire, catch, cha. So ka and cha, both of them are most used, okay? তাহলে কি বোঝা যাচ্ছে যে আমরা এই আইপি লেটারগুলো দিয়ে কি করব সেগুলো কি বোঝা যাচ্ছে?